Today, let's discover why Thai red curry paste is the most important of foundation of Thai cooking. Hello everyone, I'm Gayle from Scenic Thai Cooking School, Chiang Mai, Thailand. Welcome to the curry project. In this series, we're going to explore one of the most important foundation of the cooking, curry paste. And today, we are starting with the most famous of all, Thai red curry paste. But before we talk about the ingredients, recipe, or techniques, let's begin with the simple question. What exactly the Thai red curry paste? There are many visitors ask me, why don't Thai people simply add herbs and spices directly into the curry? That's a very good question. Traditionally, Thai cooks combine herbs, spices, root, and seasoning together into a paste. This creates a concentrated flavor base that can be used in many different dishes. Think of it as the heart of the recipe instead of building flavor from scratch every time. We build the flavor once in the curry paste, then we use it in different ways. What makes red curry paste special? Thai curry paste is probably the most versatile curry in Thailand. The beautiful red color comes mainly from dry red chilies. The aroma comes from fresh herbs and root. And the depth of the flavor comes from ingredients like shrimp paste. What I love most about red curry paste is that it's both powerful and balanced. It has heat, it has fragrance, it has richness, and it comes many different dishes. One red curry paste, many Thai dishes. This is where Thai cooking becomes interesting. One red curry paste can be transformed into many different recipes. For example, Thai red curry, jungle curry, stir-fry curry, Thai fish cake, steamed curry, custard, also known as hor mok. Even different regional dishes, the curry paste stay the same, but the final dish can be completely different. That is one of the beautiful ideas behind Thai cooking. What inside red curry paste? Red curry paste is made from a combination of fresh herbs and seasoning. Typical ingredients include garlic, shallot, dry chili, lemongrass, galangal, kaffir peel, shrimp paste. Each ingredient has a purpose. Each ingredient contributes a layer of flavor. Together, they create something much greater than any single ingredient alone. In the next episode, we look at every ingredient in detail. What about the shrimp paste? One ingredient often raise questions from international visitors. Shrimp paste. Traditionally, shrimp paste is an important ingredient in Thai red curry paste. It adds depth, richness, and umami. However, not everyone can eat shrimp paste. Some people have shellfish allergies. Some people follow a vegan or vegetarian lifestyle, and it's perfectly okay. At Asia Scenic, we always encourage people to cook in a way that works for them. If you don't eat shrimp paste, you can simply leave it out. Your curry paste will taste different, but it can still be delicious. Thai cooking is not about strict rule. It's about understanding ingredients and make choice that suit your needs. Why learning curry paste matters. Many people try to memorize the recipe, but I believe understanding curry paste is much more important because once you understand the paste, you understand the flavor. And once you understand the flavor, you can cook many Thai dishes with confidence. This is how Thai cooking has been passed down through generations, not by memorized recipe, but by understanding ingredients. In our next episode, we'll explore every ingredient, red curry paste, and discover what each one contributes to the final flavor. Thank you for joining us. I'm Gayle, Asia Scenic Thai Cooking School. And I will see you in the next episodes of Thai Curry Project. Bye bye. สวัสดีค่ะ
Yeah.
So cute.
That's good camera.
So cute.
Yeah.
Upgrade the version. Need more upgrade.
Once again, it was aroy.
อร่อย You can taste again after. Good.